Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Code with Rajeshwari. We'll be discussing about what is Swift and Swift in 100 seconds. Let's start. Swift is Apple's modern programming language for building apps on iOS, macOS and watchOS and more. It's safe, fast and easy to root. And Swift versus Objective-C. Before Swift, Apple used Objective-C, a powerful but complex language with C-style syntax. Swift replaced it with a cleaner, more concise syntax. Let's code it. Fewer bugs and better performance. And Swift uses modern features like let, when, where, constants and variables, optionals to handle missing data safety, and value types like structures for better memory management, and it's super readable, great for writing and maintainable code, and memory safety. Swift prevents crashes by design. It avoids null pointer errors using optionals and manages memory with automatic reference counting. So you don't have to worry about leaks. And when was Swift announced? June 2, 2014. It shocked the developers' world. It was modern open source by 2015 and quickly became the default for Apple development. And why should you learn Swift in 2025? Because Swift is the future of Apple development. It powers everything from iPhone apps to Apple Vision Pro. It's clean, safe, and in high demand. Learn Swift and you unlock the entire Apple ecosystem. And we have many things like named arguments where we can pass nullable strings and we can return strings and first class functions as well. So these are the things we can see in Swift where we didn't have much options in Objective C. This is why we have to learn Swift, and other thing is Swift UI as well. Swift UI is an upcoming feature of Swift Apple ecosystem, but though we have many other things, Swift is must. Thanks for watching.